Hey, my name is Jacob Stevens. I'm the customer care specialist here at the Glass Door Store. We specialize in supplying and installing glass inserts and front entry doors in Tampa, Lakeland, and other surrounding areas. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the added benefits of hurricane impact glass in your front entry door. Today we're going to be using a clear piece of glass, but we do offer over 90 decorative inserts in our Tampa and Lakeland showrooms. All right, so today we've got ourselves here a piece of hurricane impact glass. This is a double paned, sealed and insulated hurricane impact glass insert. Now, some things that help this piece of glass achieve that hurricane impact rating include most of these pieces of glass have a metal frame rather than the traditional composite frame. And this also does have a added piece of laminate on the exterior of the glass, and the reason for that is when this glass shatters, this is going to act more like a car windshield because it is designed to stop something from penetrating all the way through the insert. All right, so first up we're going to be testing out the softball. I'm going to be trying to throw this pretty much as hard as I can. It should hold up pretty well, but we will see what happens. All right, so here we go. So just as we thought, the softball held up pretty well. So next thing we'll be testing is a 2x4 to show how debris from hurricanes could potentially affect this glass insert. So here we go. So as you saw, we tried several times to get the 2x4 to hit the center of this glass insert, but on the last throw, we actually did get this glass to crack a bit. Now we've got an up close shot here, and I'm gonna run my hand down through it so that way you can see this exterior did not even crack. It is completely flush. So again, this piece of laminate is designed to protect some items penetrating through all the way. And again, that is what is giving this piece of glass the hurricane impact rating. All right, so now we're gonna see how this piece of impact glass holds up against something like a crowbar. Disclaimer, don't try this at home. So as you can see, this spider webbed a lot more than the 2x4. Again, we did not have a machine. I was trying to throw that as best as I could. So when a hurricane debris does impact this glass, it will probably act more so like this. But again, as you can see, there's very little residue, but we did sort of penetrate this first layer, not all the way through, not even close. And even on the back end, we have not even messed with that yet. It is completely smooth on the back. So now we're going to be trying to run some tests to see how it would be like if somebody was to break in. I'm going to try to hit this a couple more times and see how this glass reacts. You will see that this will buy you a lot more time rather than the tempered will, because even through multiple hits, this is still going to hold up extremely well. All right, so now I'm going to try to hit this a couple different times and see exactly how this glass insert reacts. So as you can see, it's all acting pretty similar to the first time in which I hit it. Same thing, we're not even cracking through the first layer of glass. We're getting a pretty small amount of residue, barely penetrating through that first layer. So I'm gonna try to hit it a different way now and just see how this takes. So as you can see, I hit this about 5 different times with the crowbar, and I did not even break through the outer layer of glass, and the inner layer is completely smooth and untouched. As you can see, this has many added benefits, especially to things like break-ins. I am no thief, but this would completely deter me away from trying to break and enter into your home. Some benefits of hurricane impact glass include providing instant curb appeal, added light, beauty, multi-pane protection, higher security and peace of mind while away from home, added value of noise suppression, and meeting windborne debris requirements in areas where winds can exceed 180 miles per hour winds. It's built for HVAC zones. It has flat aluminum frames that are certified to meet Florida Building Commission codes. They have longer screws to reduce potential strip out, and flat screw hole covers to install flush to the frame.